My dear students, I request you all to open page number 46 from your computer textbook. Today we will be solving the exercise given at the end of lesson number 6. In this lesson we learnt how to use the mouse. We understood the different types of clicks in the mouse. So today we will be solving the exercise related to it. The name of the exercise is Brain Developer. So children, in this Brain Developer, they have given A. Fill in the blanks. You all have to fill in the blanks using the hints given at the right side box. So these are the hints they have given. These are the answers which you need to fill in the given blank. Here they have given a big blank. In this blank, you have to fill the right answer. And that right answers are provided here. You just have to match with the proper one. So let me read the first one. A mouse is dash in a size. Yes, children. Here the options are like clicking, small, move, wire. So a mouse is small in a size. So the right answer is small. Here I will provide number 1 because this is the answer for question number 1. So here along with that I have to write. Yes. M-A-L-L, small. Let us read the next one. A mouse has dash that is fixed to the CPU. Yes, children, what is that mouse which is having? A mouse is having one thing which is fixed to the CPU. What is that? It is a wire. So here I will write 2. And the same thing I will be taking here. W-I-R-E, wire. Now let me read the third one. Pressing the mouse button once is called what? Yes, children. When you press a mouse button once, it is called move or clicking. The right answer is clicking. So you all can write here like this way. Clicking. C-L-I-C-K-I-N-G. So this is what about the clicking. Now fourth one you all can solve on your own. I will be going to the B now. Write true or false. You all have to write whether the given statement is true or false. I will be reading each one of statement from this and you have to tell me whether it is true or false. A mouse helps to select any item on the monitor. Yes, children. A mouse is the device which will help you to select any item on the monitor. Yes, it is true. So here in the given box, if it is true, I will be writing T. In the same way, next. A mouse has 3 or 4 buttons. Is it, children? How many buttons are there in mouse? There are 2 buttons and 1 scroll bar. So this is wrong. So here I will write false. F for false. Right clicking on the desktop displays a list of commands on a monitor. When you right click on the desktop displays a list of commands on a monitor. Is it true, children? It is true. The small arrow that we see on a monitor is called stick. Is it, children? The small arrow which you see on the monitor, it is called pointer, not stick. So it is false. Now we will be going for section B. Tick right answer. Here they have given many answers. Among those answers, you have to select the correct one and you have to tick that. So I will be reading the first one. What do we call the small arrow moving on the monitor? Yes, children. What do we call the small arrow which moves on a monitor? Is it tail, stick, or mouse pointer? The right answer is mouse pointer. So this is the right answer. I will tick in the first box. Now second one, dash opens an item. Yes, children. Whether it is a single click, double click, or scroll. Single clicks open item, double click open item, or scroll will open item. The double click will open the item. So I have underlined and I will be ticking over there. Now B, answer in one word. You have to give your answer in only one word. First one, which finger must be placed on left mouse button? Yes, children. Whenever you take a mouse, on that mouse, which button will be placed at left mouse? That is index finger. So here I will write INDEX, index finger. FINGER. So it is index finger. Where do we fix the wire of a mouse? Yes, children, where the wire of the mouse will be fixed? It is fixed to CPU. So here you all can write the answer correctly. So like this way you all can solve the exercise of lesson number 6. Thank you, children.